Hello everybody. Today I thought I would do a little room tour. So this is what the room looks like when you first come in. Please ignore my stuff. As you come in, there's some drawers. Let's have a look what's inside. Oh, we have a hairdryer. And this one. Oops. Oh, we've got more pillows, it looks like. And then as we come over here, we have my favorite. This is my favorite station, always. I mean, that mug does not look good. I'll be using that one. But we've got tea, coffees, kettle. I'll definitely be making this every morning. And then we have a little desk, which is like a place you can get ready. There's a chair. There's me looking rough. It's taken me about 5 hours to get here. Crazy. But this is really cute. It's like a little, is it called like a vanity desk? Where you get like a chair and you can get ready here, which I love. Yeah, it's really cute. I have like a little drink cabinet. So I'm staying at Future Inn in Bristol. Get free Wi-Fi connection available in the entire building, so that's great. Aircon and heating panel on the wall. Job House restaurant and bar is located on the ground floor. Now I did actually see their menu and there looks like there's a really good vegan pasta, so I might treat myself one of the days I'm here. You can view the menu, extra supplies. I'll definitely be getting some more tea and coffee. Hotel parking. Room service 24/7, that's good. You can join the club. Ice is available, that's cool. And checkout is at noon. That's pretty cool. So you also get some wine glasses and you get like a little ice cooler. I really love this desk. I'm definitely going to try and make use of it. I don't actually wear makeup anymore, only when I'm going to an event or something, but I'll probably try and just sit here and, you know, use it. I really like it. You don't often get these in hotel rooms. Got the desk more, and then we have a massive TV. This TV is honestly huge. Love it. And then over here, this is a wardrobe. So open it. You can hang some stuff up. There's an ironing board, an iron and a safe, and a sachet of something down there. And then over here is like a little table. These chairs are quite nice. And a table. And also another chair. Bit of fluff. These curtains are nice as well. Let's have a little look at the view. Is there much of a view? Not particularly, just the outside. And then there's a sofa, which I think is actually a sofa bed, but I'll be using it just as a sofa. And then we have the little side table and lamp. This is really cool. You get the USB ports and the new one. I'll definitely be using that. A little table. What's in here? Nothing. And then we have the bed, which is absolutely massive. Honestly, it's huge. I really love the brown. It's a really nice room. And then over here, get another table, a drawer with nothing, and a little light. But it's honestly very, very big in here. And then there is another mirror. That's me. Hello. So this room is actually a king room, I want to say. I actually had a discount, so it was much cheaper to get this room, and I had a free upgrade. So yeah, of course I was gonna get a free upgrade. So yeah, I used booking.com, and this was cheaper than the double room. So yeah, I had some sort of voucher. So yeah, I went for this one, but it's really nice, spacious. I like it. There's a mirror. Mirror. And then we're gonna go into the bathroom. So the door is actually open like this, and then the door closes for the toilet. Oh, squeaky. So the toilet's actually in here. I'm gonna keep that closed though. And then another mirror. We love a mirror. And there's a sink. I love this marble effect. It's really nice. Oh, we got some glasses. Really cute. This is body wash. This is shampoo. This is a soap. That's really nice. It's called a vegetable soap. That's so cute. And a little take care box. It's cute. And then another mirror. There's so many mirrors. Towels. And then a bath and shower. So yeah, this is pretty much everything. I really like it. It's really nice. So I'll just show you in a little bit more detail. Soon as you come in, this is what it looks like. Bathroom. And then you come into here. So yeah, I really like it here. So yeah, I'm gonna be here for 5 nights, I think. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 5 nights, that's a long time. So yeah, I'm here for university, and yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Like I said, I actually booked this on booking.com, and it's called Future in Bristol, and this is actually, I think it's a superior king room. I think this would usually have 3 people, but I actually had a free room upgrade plus £25 off, so I actually got the room upgrade for free, so I would have got a double, but yeah, I got this one instead, so yay. I wish there was a fridge though, because I'm here for quite a few days. A fridge would have been great, but it's fine, it's okay. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. I'm now going to go and get some food because I've only been eating snacks all day and I need some dinner. It's been a long day. I left my house at 10:30 this morning and it's now almost 5 o'clock. So yeah, it's been a very long day and I go to uni tomorrow. I'm very excited. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye everybody.